Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the daily quest about pet any cat 2 times. Sometimes you will get a daily quest like this, pet any cat 2 times like this. So what should you do? All you need to do is pet the cat. You can pet your own cat or even your friend's cat. Just tap on these actions, this icon, and then next just tap on these actions like this, and then next just repeat it 2 times, and the daily quest will be complete instantly like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.